So it's our 150th sesquicentennial anniversary, and the Sicilian Folklore Group have this very special presentation that basically explains the history of Sicily in 5 minutes. It's a history of Sicily immigration to Hamilton, and of course the relationship with Canada and how we love our land so much. So please enjoy. This is called Sicilia Terra Scordata.
This year, we would like to commemorate Canada's 150th birthday and what it means to friends and family who traveled from the old country to make Canada their home. In the 1960s, there were over 10,000 Sicilians living in and around James Street North.
They were from the town of Racalmuto. They found work in manual labor jobs on the railroad, in construction, in the cotton mill, and you were very fortunate if you worked at Stelco or Tafasco. We are proud to be Italo-Canadian with Sicilian ancestry.
Otto giorni di festa e ora se ne vanno, che non è più Natale e manco Capodanno. A ritorno non da nevi, una cianeglia oscuro, un c'è patroni strani e c'è un travaglio duro. Uni sono chiamati Pingiuria, Terroni, e che l'uomini da Sicilia non siamo gente buoni. A ritorno do treno con soli, do treno senza soli, e ritornano con cuori che ci cangi. Addio, bella Sicilia, o terra mia d'aranci e di canzoni. Ulazzi mi lodasti, ma pani un menedoni.
Sicily was officially twinned with the city of Hamilton. Hamilton and Racalmuto continue to share a special bond. Today, there are over 30,000 Sicilians living in Hamilton.
We have a great debt to the land which gave birth to our parents, as they stressed to us that education and hard work would be the key to our success.
Today, you can find Canadians of Italian Sicilian descent at all levels of law, politics, medicine, education, and of course, the arts.
Grateful for this country we call home and native land, which welcomed our parents and grandparents with open arms. We are people of goodwill, sincerity, generosity, and of tolerance, good humor, and respect. God keep our land glorious and free. O Canada, we stand on guard for thee.